Today we will be showing you how to extract a tape from a DLT S4 tape drive. This tape extraction procedure will work for all OEMs of DLT S4 drives. Please be advised, this is for extraction of a tape from a defective tape drive only. Removing the tape from the drive will not fix a faulty drive, and the drive itself will still need to be replaced. Also be advised, before watching the rest of this video, you will need a 9-volt battery with a small wire lead connected to each post in order to complete this extraction. First, you will need to remove the thin cover that is over the screws for the front faceplate. Then you will need to remove the 2 screws for the faceplate and pull the faceplate off of the drive. Then you will need to remove the 4 side screws holding the top cover on. Once they are all removed, you can lift the top cover straight up and off the drive and set it to the side. Now you will pull out some slack carefully and use a pair of scissors to cut the tape media. Then carefully pull all of the remaining media off the rear spool until you get to the drive leader. Carefully unhook the drive leader from the tape leader and allow the drive leader to retract into the spool. Then locate the deck release mechanism on the front right side of the drive. Use the 9-volt battery with the leads as shown on screen. When both are pressed on the mechanism, this will release the tape for you to pull out. If you are returning the defective drive as a core exchange to the rocket platform, you do not need to reassemble the drive. Simply place the top cover back on the drive and ensure that all screws and other small parts are included in the anti-static bag with the drive before shipping it back to us. If you have any further questions about tape extraction from a DLT S4 tape drive, please reach out to us at support@therocketplatform.com. Thanks for watching. This has been another video by the Top 10 USA Video Production Team. We look forward to sharing more content with you going forward, so please check out our YouTube channel and please subscribe so that you get notified whenever we release a new piece of content.